BarryTiger. Subscribe!
The concrete truck got a boo-boo. Why did my house disappear?
Huh? Who is crying? What's the matter?
My house was blown away by a tornado.
Oh? Oh, don't cry. Don't worry. I can build you a new house.
Huh?
Leave it to me. Concrete truck Raver, activate. Build a new house. Huh? What's going on? Let me try again.
Raver, I think you're out of order. You need a repair.
Huh? Wait a moment. I'll be right back.
Hello there, concrete truck Raver.
Oh, Super Mechanic Barry, help me quickly.
Oh!
I think I've got a boo-boo.
Oh, I can hear it. Don't you worry, I'll fix you right away. Dear friends, let's repair the concrete truck together.
Oh, I'm sorry. I can't stop the puffing.
It's okay. Your revolving drum is cracked. Let me mend it for you.
I feel a bit hot.
Just hang in there. The welding is done. Concrete truck Raver, how are you feeling now?
I still don't feel well.
Oh, this looks very serious. We should do a full checkup. Oh, the revolving drum is blocked by concrete. We must clean it out right away. Let's use the rust remover to clean it.
Super Mechanic Barry, can you please add some concrete? I have to build a house for Little Duck.
Yes, of course. Adding some colorful concrete.
Let me try it. Concrete truck Raver, activate! Super Mechanic statue.
Wow! I love this statue! The repair is done, dear friends. Thanks for your help. It's so cold without a house. Quack!
Little Duck, I'm here to build you a house. Concrete truck Raver, activate! Quack Quack's big house!
Quack! I love this house so much! Thank you, concrete truck Raver. Mwah!
You're welcome. Oh.
Oh no! Baby car is missing!
There's quite a lot of people at the amusement park.
Baby car, stay close to mommy and daddy. Don't get lost.
Oh, someone's crying. Oh no! Baby car, why are you covered in bird poop? Where are your parents? Oh! okay. Let's go to the repair station first. I'll help you find your mommy and daddy. There are many tiny bugs around baby car. We must get rid of them. Let's see what we have in the toolbox. Why are there more bugs now? We have to use another tool. Hooray! The bugs are gone. And now, let's go to the car wash. First, we'll wash with some washing liquid. Now, let's rinse off the bubbles with water. Baby car, you're doing a great job. Lastly, we'll use a blower to dry baby car. Huh? Baby car, what's wrong? Oh, you miss your mommy and daddy. Dear friends, let's help baby car find his mommy and daddy. Oh, there's a traffic jam. Baby car's parents should be around here somewhere. Where could they be? Oh, is that him?
Oh, baby car, where are you?
Hooray! We found him! But where is baby car's mommy? She's a pink-colored car with a purple straw hat. Oh, you said you saw her?
Has anyone seen baby car?
This is great! We found her! Hooray! Check finished! Dear friends, it's all thanks to you!
Oh, we finally found you!
Thank you, Super Mechanic Barry!
Stay close to your mommy and daddy next time. Don't get lost again.
The amusement park is still open. Let's go there quickly. Super Mechanic Barry, goodbye!
Goodbye! Race car versus octopus truck.
Wow! The race is about to start, ladies and gentlemen! Let's give a warm welcome to Race Car Cyclone! And the next is...
Allow me to introduce myself. I am Octopus Truck, who will defeat Cyclone and become the champion.
Stop your boasting. Just wait and see.
Well, the best is yet to come.
How about that, Octopus Truck? I told you, you're no match for me.
Then here's my ink attack.
Oh no! I can't see anything!
Oh no! A player is injured! Pause the race!
Oh gosh! Someone was hurt in the race earlier!
I think you're talking about me.
Oh! Race car cyclone!
Super Mechanic Barry, can you fix me? I have to rush back to the race.
Leave this to me. Dear friends, let's repair the race car.
The ink smells so bad, and I'm covered in it.
I think the heavy-duty wash gun can rinse off the ink.
Wow! I love showers!
And now, we need to dry the water off the race car.
Woohoo!
Hooray! The repair is done.
This repair station is so advanced. I like it.
Uh-oh. Cyclone, you have a flat tire.
Aw, I don't like it at all.
Don't you worry. We will get you a new one to use. We'll remove the broken tire first. Then, let's see what we have in the toolbox.
Wow!
Cyclone, please choose your favorite one.
Whoa, the rainbow tire. I like it.
Now, we'll put on the new tire.
Wow! The new tires are so cool! I like it!
The repair is done. Dear friends, you all did a great job.
Thank you so much, Super Mechanic Barry. I can head back to the race now. Goodbye!
Goodbye, Cyclone. I'll cheer you on.
Well, if it isn't my defeated opponent.
I won't fall for your trick again!
Take this!
Jump up!
What?
This is my final sprint, the Miracle Cyclone!
The champion is Race Car Cyclone!
Hooray! I like this! I won the race!
Fire truck is stuck in the mud.
The forest is on fire!
Please help! Ouchies! My bottom is so hot!
Don't be scared! The brave fire truck is here! Watch out!
Huh? Oh! Captain Gordy!
What should we do?
Don't mind me. Put out the fire first. Looks like I need the help of Super Mechanic Barry.
Hello? This is Barry's repair station.
Super Mechanic Barry, I'm trapped in the mud. I need your help.
Sure thing. I'll send a tow truck to get you. Hello, Gordy. I've been waiting here for a long time.
Oh no, I don't feel well. Please help me. I need to put out the fire.
No problem. Dear friends, let us repair the fire truck. First up, let's do a checkup of the fire truck to see what's wrong. Oh, there's a lot of dirty stuff inside the engine. Let us clean them out now. Uh-oh, this clump of mud is too big. And now, let us vacuum the dust away. Wow, the engine is all clean. Gordy, try starting the engine.
It works! Thank you, Super Mechanic Barry.
You're welcome. But wait, you look too dirty. I'll give you a quick rinse. Let's see what we have in the toolbox. Time's running out. Use the high-pressure water gun.
Oh, it hurts a bit, but I can stand it.
Gordy, you're so brave. It'll be done soon. Let's dry off the water with a fan.
Wow! I feel so revitalized now!
The repair is done. Dear friends, thanks for your help.
Thank you, Super Mechanic Barry. I'm off to carry out my mission.
Safe journey, Gordy.
Help me! Please help me! Our water cannon can't reach it!
If only Captain Gordy was here with us.
Firefighters, here I come!
Wow! It's Captain Gordy!
Don't worry, leave the rest to me.
Huh? Thank you for saving me!
You're welcome!
This gym belongs to me!
Hi, I'm Super Police Barry. If you are in trouble, just call me. I'll come right away to help you. I wonder what will happen today. Huh? Hello, I'm Super Police Barry.
Super Police, help!
What? My, I won't allow such things to happen. It's our turn to save the day. Are you ready? Super Police, to the rescue! Woof, 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 woof. Don't worry, I'm here. Super Police, I need your help. Woof. What happened? Woof, woof. My friends gave me a lot of birthday gifts. Wow, so pretty. Whoa! Who are you?
This gym belongs to me!
That was my birthday gift. Don't cry. I'll definitely find the gem for you.
Gem! Gem! It's mine now!
Oh dear, the rubber! Stop right there! Let's hurry and catch the rubber. Oh, it's a rubber lion.
Hey, I'll just hide here. No one can find me.
Oh, do you know which box Rubber Lion is hiding in? Is he in this box? Oh, this isn't a rubber, it's a toy. We should look in other boxes. Oh, there is a sound over there. Let's go check it out. It's actually some coins. Is Rubber Lion really here? Did I make a mistake?
Mwah, mwah, mwah. Such beautiful gems!
Freeze! You are under arrest!
I've been discovered!
Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo, here comes the policeman. Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo, super duper policeman. Whenever you need help, call for him. Freeze, super duper policeman.
Let me out! Please let me out!
Thank you for your help. We've solved all the cases. If you are in danger, remember to call me. See you next time. I have some tasty lollipops here. I've bought them. Let's go. Oh, meow? How did my sister turn into a toy? Hi, I'm Super Police Barry. If you are in trouble, just call me. I'll come right away to help you. I I wonder what will happen today. Oh? Hello, I'm Super Police Barry.
Super Police, help!
What? Oh my! I won't allow such things to happen. It's our turn to save the day. Are you ready? Super Police, to the rescue!
Sister, my sister!
Don't worry, I'm here.
Super Police, I need your help! Meow!
What happened?
Wow, such fresh fish! Which one should I buy?
I have some tasty lollipops here.
I've bought them. Let's go. Oh, meow! How did my sister turn into a toy?
I'll make sure to help you find your sister. Let's go catch the kidnapper together. You can't hide, kidnapper. I know you are right here. If you are so brave, find all the puzzle pieces and catch me. I will find you. Let's find all the puzzle pieces together. Uh-oh, this isn't a puzzle piece. Oh yay! We found them all! You found all the puzzle pieces, but you still can't catch me. Just wait and see. Let's complete the puzzle quickly and catch the kidnapper. Oops, I made a mistake. Haha, finally found you. What? I've been discovered.
Meow, meow. I finally found you.
I have to go now. You can't escape. Freeze! You are under arrest.
Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo, here comes the policeman. Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo, super duper policeman. Whenever you need help, call for him.
Freeze!
Super duper policeman.
I know I was wrong. Oh. Thank you for your help. We've solved all the cases. If you are in danger, remember to call me. See you next time.
I bought so many fruits. Oh my! Where's my child? My child is missing!
Hi, I'm Super Police Barry. If you are in trouble, just call me. I'll come right away to help you. I wonder what will happen today. Oh? Hello, I'm Super Police Barry.
Super Police, help!
What? Oh my! I won't allow such things to happen. It's our turn to save the day. Are you ready? Super Police, to the rescue!
My child! My child!
Don't worry, I'm here.
Super Police, I need your help!
What happened?
Wow, those fruits look so fresh. You stay here and wait for me, okay? Dad will be back soon.
Come with me, little one. I have a toy here.
I bought so many fruits. Oh my! Where's my child? My child is missing!
Don't worry, I will help you find your child. Let's go and catch the kidnapper together. Someone saw the kidnapper enter this room, but Why can't I see anyone inside?
Hey, you can't find me unless you can find all the puzzle pieces. Oops, I slipped.
Haha! Now I know how to find you. Phew! Only one puzzle piece left. Where is it? Oh, yay! We've found all the puzzle pieces.
Do you think it's over just like that? It's not that simple.
You bad kidnapper! I will catch you! Let's solve the puzzle and catch the kidnapper together. Uh-oh, not this piece. Where's the right puzzle piece? Can anyone tell me? Aha! Found you! Kidnapper bear!
Oh my God!
Oh my God! Oh, baby! My baby!
Freeze! You are under arrest!
Oh no!
Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo, here comes the policeman. Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo, super duper policeman. Whenever you need help, call for him. Freeze! Super duper policeman!
Let me out! Let me out!
Thank you for your help. We've solved all the cases. If you are in danger, remember to call me. See you next time.
All these gifts, they're all mine.
Help!
Hi, I'm Super Police Barry. If you are in trouble, just call me. I'll come right away to help you. I wonder what will happen today. Hello, I'm Super Police Barry.
Super Police, help!
What? Oh my, I won't allow such things to happen. It's our turn to save the day. Are you ready? Super Police, to the rescue! Oh, let me out! Oh, don't worry, I'm here.
Super Police, I've been waiting for you.
What happened?
I'm ready. It's time to give presents to the kids. Who are you? What do you want?
All these gifts, they're all mine.
Help!
Oh my, that's so mean.
Oh, I don't want to stay here.
Don't worry, I'll rescue you right away. Let's search for the keys and save Rudolph. I think the keys must be nearby. Did you see them? Oh, this is just a bell. Where could the last key be? Oh, could it be this one? Great! We found all the keys.
Super Police, please hurry and rescue me.
Oh, all right. We've collected many keys. Let me think which one to use. It seems the triangle key won't work. Do you know which key we should use? The heart-shaped key. All right, I'll trust you. Success!
Super police, thank you.
How did I end up back here? Did I get lost? What? Who let you out?
Humph! Give back everyone's gifts.
Oh no! It's Super Police!
Freeze! You are under arrest.
Yo-ho, yo-ho, here comes a policeman. Yo-ho, yo-ho, super duper policeman. Whenever you need help, call for him.
Freeze!
Super duper policeman. Oh, I am sorry.
Thank you for your help. We've solved all the cases. If you are in danger, remember to call me. See you next time.